Janet, I have been reading about anti-wrinkle spray and how it is good for the skin, making it smooth and young looking. Did not know such a thing existed.
Susan, yes, there is a lot on the subject. What's good about it? It is natural, organic and a safe way to keep the skin clean, cared for and free it from all the pollution, chemicals, yeast, dust and dirt. It is made from electrolyzed water. The spray can also be used as a mild and active disinfectant, antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal.
Does it mean when I visit public toilet I can spray the seat and wipe before use?
Yes, I carry it in my handbag. Use it on taps, door handle. I spray my hands after I have touched anything dirty or suspect it to be infected. It kills bacteria and viruses on contact.
Thank you, Janet. Now I can be clean, look young and pretty at the same time.